Hi everyone, are you a coach, consultant, or a service provider? And you're often confused that should I share my stories on social media or should I share about my business offers? And this constant struggle entrenches you every single day, and you feel like whether should I share my business update stories or about my offers? And when you even share about your offers more usually or more with more frequency, you feel this ick of salesiness, or you feel that it's too much for my audience, and you are often confused, so but how do I generate leads, and how do I tell what all am I doing in my business while also promoting my offers every single day? I have been in your exact same spot, and I have resolved this problem, and I'm going to give you a proper framework how you can also resolve this problem, and how you sell without actually selling, right? How do you sell in a non-salesy way that keeps your followers, that keeps your subscribers always feeling as if they're hearing your stories, they're always connected with you while you are also softly, sharing your offers. How do you do that every single day? Let's hear it today. Okay. So the topic is I quit selling on social media and my sales exploded. If that seems like a far-fetched truth to you or a far-fetched statement, it let me tell you, it has been my reality in 2025. In 2025, I have closed some of my biggest clients, not by cold DMs or through hard pitches or by pushing my products and services in a forceful manner, but in a very subtle, simple manner. Okay. And here is something that you need to understand about social media. When you're posting offers in a very direct manner every single day, people don't like it. Why? Because people come on social media for stories, connection, and inspiration. They don't want to, hear about your offers, that too in a direct way every single day. They are coming here to scroll and to have connection, to have some meaningful inspiration. And here you are just pushing your offers every single day. It kind of alienates your audience from you, and it creates a disconnect, right? Because if you see social media like Facebook, like Instagram, like all these platforms, these were meant for networking. These were meant for staying in touch. These were meant for just sharing stories and updates about your life, right? They were never meant for just pushing your offers. And literally you will see even today ads, if you're even promoting yourself in ads, and that too in a salesy manner, people will not even watch those ads. The more authentic your content is, the more it seamlessly integrates into the social media content, the more easily you will be able to, connect with your audience in a deeper manner. So, having said that, the number one mistake that people make is they keep posting their offers every single day, and people just don't like that. So, how do you do it as a business owner without feeling salesy? Now, I my closing rate inside my community with my nurtured client was 80%. Why? Because I did these three things, simple things. What I did, let me share. One thing that I did was I shared transformation stories. Facts tell, stories sell. I have so many of my clients. One of my client was a relationship coach, and when she came inside our community, she was hesitant about selling. Selling was not just her thing, and she was charging 5,000 rupees for a yearly membership, and that also looked too much. And today she's charging 5,000 rupees for her hourly consultations, and people are happily paying that. Why? Because she has nurtured her audience to that level that they're trusting her and they know she can solve her problems, right? So when you share stories like this, right, people see themselves in these stories and they see what can be possible for them, right? Like in our coaching program, I never say it's just about high quality lead generation or sales. It's about income and impact, increasing your income and impact, getting freedom and abundance. These are the core things that I share. And when I share stories of people actually getting freedom, impact, abundance, people want to come in, they want to hear, and they want to make the story, their own narrative, right? So always share your stories. It can be stories about your problems, your struggles, your wins, your client studies, all of those things. Just share your stories. And then the second thing is educate generously. I've never gatekept any of my secrets. Whatever I've been doing, whether it's running ads, whether it has been trying a new tool, whether it is any single thing, I happily share it with my audience, and that creates a lot of trust because people feel when I'm a free person, like I have not even paid in that only, I'm getting so much of value. Imagine when I get inside the community, how much more value will I get? So always think from that standpoint. Even if you're giving something for free, it should be high value and it should create impact in that person's life. And let's suppose if it did create an impact, how much more trust that person will have on you, right? So always openly share all your knowledge. Don't gatekeep anything, because if anything works for them, the trust will only increase. And the third thing that you need to do is a daily Steinfeld method. This I learned from Russell Brunson. So basically, this will actually solve your ick, of feeling salesy when you're sharing about your offer. So basically, Russell says that there was a show called Steinfeld. It was about, and the show was about nothing. It was about the daily lives of people and how, they're dealing with it. And towards the end, they used to leave people with some memorable moments. And in that similar manner, you are building a business, you are building a life, you're doing so many things. So you have to share updates, you have to share whatever you're doing. And towards that end, you have to nudge people towards your offer. I have a proper framework for doing that. I will also share it through a post. Okay. So it is a 1, 2, 3 method. The number one step you need to do is a hook. You need to start your post or whatever your social media thinks with a hook, a strong hook, a bold statement that actually makes people think and stop, right? The second thing is now you have to tell your story. You can even share strategies through a story, whatever it is, you can do that. And third is then you have to nudge people towards an offer, whatever you are doing. And you can literally do it every single day. And it works. Why? Because your stories are fresh, they are memorable, they create a connect, and people want to have that connection with you every single day. So, if you are doing this daily Steinfeld method, it will take people on a journey with you, and they are so excited to unravel the new things which are happening in your life and in your business, right? Your stories always, create a spark, right? So, follow this plan and you will never feel salesy, because at the end of the day, you are daily sharing your stories. You're not just pushing very hard. Towards the very end, you are gently nudging them towards an offer, towards the thing that you are doing. Okay. So let me share how I did it in action. So you see this post, feeling busy or but getting nowhere, like you're stuck on a treadmill. So this is the hook, right? Then I share about the problem. It's not the problem of your willpower. Like I used to have these bandit solutions where, I used to try, I used to uh, do things out of willpower and motivation. And then in some time that will just vanish. And, that's not something sustainable. So what you have to do is you have to build systems, because when you build systems for your life and for your business, it's going to be easy. And then I invite them to a clarity call where I will help them, build systems to generate high quality leads and do sales, right? And then I just simply share the link and see how many people just connected. Can you see? Can you see the connection that it created with people? Just very simple thing, hook, story, and your offer. And you can, because as a business owner, it's your moral responsibility to share about your offers every single day. Because if you don't share about your offers, how will your leads come inside your system? How will they buy? How will your business run? So it's your moral responsibility to share about your offers every single day. Just follow this daily Seinfeld formula and your storytelling would be amazing. Okay. So again, let's recap it. Share transformation stories, educate generously, use daily story formula, this Seinfeld method, and you are going to be great. Okay. Now, if you don't want to be left behind in 2025 and you want to know what is it really, taking to sell, to generate leads and to sell in 2025, I have created a masterclass on consultative selling. Because if you're a coach, consultant, or service provider and you are selling like a regular salesperson, people will not buy. They need to first see you as a consultant who can solve their problems, challenges, and obstacles. And once they have that trust, only then they will buy. I have recorded a complete masterclass on this topic. The link would be below. Just go there, click on it, and watch the whole masterclass. So, tell me what else topics you need from me. I would be happy to create videos, like the video, share it, and just leave your comments about future topics that you want me to cover. And I will see you next time. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep going out of your comfort zone.